Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off all notification in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to the start menu here. Then you need to go to the settings option here. Click on settings. After opening the settings option, you need to go to the system option here. Click on system. And in the left here, you will see option called notification and action here. So just click on notification and action. And then you will see option here called get notification from apps and other senders, so you need to turn this off here. So just toggle this off here, and if some of the boxes are still select on here, you need to manually deselect this option here, and then you need to go to the focus assist settings here and make sure this get all notification from your apps is turned off here. So make sure this is off. So that's it. Once you have done this, you will not get any notification from your Windows 10. This will turn off all the notification in Windows 10 PC. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.